Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and this company, Mixcder, I think that's how you say their name. They actually hit me up and asked me if I want to go ahead and check out their $70 or $80 noise canceling headphones. I was like, yeah, let me go and do that. So now it's here. We gotta check it out. Alright, so we're at the legendary unboxing table now, and first off I got a couple announcements. Alright, so the first announcement is that I actually didn't record the Q&A yet, so I will get on that soon, so stay tuned for that. Next is the Galaxy Tab S4 actually got its One UI update, so I'll do a video on that as soon as it drops on my TA30 here. And lastly, I might not be recording at this table here for long, the legendary table, like we'll see about that. I might be recording at the black one y'all saw. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So we got the Mixcder, I think that's how you say it. I don't know how you say it. But simple little boxer here, like it's alright, like nothing to go crazy about. Got the logo here, we got the headphones here in this little sketch, I guess you could say. We got active noise canceling wireless headphones, which caught my eye, which is the reason I got this. It's the E9 one, so the Mixcder E9 wireless headphones. So let's look at the back real quick. All that greatness right there, so you can go and pause it and read it for yourself, cause you know I'm not finna read it. On the right side, we have active noise cancellation tech, around 30 hours of playtime, 40mm large aperture drivers, wireless and wire connections. So for the people that still have a headphone jack, thank you Samsung. Adjustable and foldable design, and we got compact carrying case. So okay, that's cool. I like that. We got a carrying case in here. On the bottom we don't got none. On the left side we don't got none, and at the top we just got that it's environmental protection design. So again, that's cool. Like Samsung did that too this year, so it's cool to see them do that. But okay, where's the unboxing knife at? We gotta get into the actual plastic here. And also, like, we got some renovation going on upstairs. Not renovation, but renovation going on upstairs, so just gotta ignore that. I'm gonna just try to get around it. We're getting new floors basically, and we're just taking care of that right now. But I think I found it. Uh-oh, let's get into this thing. And right now I actually use the Samsung Level Pro wirelesses for my headphones, so we'll see if I end up switching to these. Probably not though, because that's NFC and everything like that. But what do we have in the box? We have first a carrying case. Yeah, I expected that one. Okay then. And it's a little nice carrying case, because in a Samsung one they only give you like a little pouch, and they give you a whole carrying case out here, so that's nice. And if you listen to that little soft touch there, got nothing else in the box, so let's just go throw that to the side. And then we have a receipt here from Amazon, so thanks. On the case though, we really don't got anything here except for the Mixcder logo, and nothing even on the zipper here. But what's inside this thing? That's what counts. Let's go and open this thing real quick. And then here's the headphones. Okay then. It's bigger than I thought. That's what she said, but that's just bigger than I thought. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. It's actually a pretty good size, so I like that. Let me put it on my head real quick, and it goes over my ears. But premium quality here, man. That's some premium quality. I like that. Okay then, I see Mixcder. And they took some cues from Sony and these other headphone companies, so if you want to just go and put it away, all you gotta do is just turn it and put it in the case or your bag or wherever. But here they are. So a little simplistic design here. We got Mixcder logo on both sides, and on the left side we don't have anything. On the right side we don't have anything. But yeah, a little simplistic design here. You can see right here that there is the left side and the right side labels. And at the top and all around, they're just some pretty comfortable headphones, so I like that. But over here's where it gets interesting. So you can see the ANC switch here, and wow, okay then, just give me a break. We have the ANC switch here, which actually shows a light there, so that's a little nice touch there. I like that. And over here we have our volume controls. So I wish it was like J5 and Samsung, because they have the touch controls here. You could just swipe up and down instead of looking for the buttons, but that's cool, I guess. Down here we have our micro USB, so no USB Type-C. That hurts. Over here we have our headphone jack if you want to use it, and over here we have our power button. And over here this look like we have our power indicator and our microphone. But it's some pretty good headphones. It look like it get fingerprints, and like I don't really like that it doesn't have touch controls, but it's still good, so I like it so far. But let's go and turn these things on. So I think we just hold on to these, and then there we go. So now it's on. Let's go and grab the Galaxy Tab S4 here and look at the Bluetooth settings for these things and go and pair them up. Alright, so there we go. We got Mixcder E9, so let's just go and tap on that, and let's see how fast it pairs or how slow it pairs. So far it's taking a little bit. Wait for it. There we go, so now it's connected. And we can see our battery percentage here with 80%, so that means it has Bluetooth 5, maybe, but I just know we can see our battery percentage, so it's relatively new. But in the rest of the box, we actually have our aux cable, we have our charger, and then we have our travel adapter for the plane and all that. And that silly little user manual that they think people care about, like all these companies, that's just them. But okay, so let me go and put it on my head. Like I said, they're already comfortable, but I want to see how it sounds on Spotify. But just wearing these on my head, I really do like how these fit. And let me go ahead and turn on the ANC right now. it's pretty good. So far it's pretty good. I'm actually be going on a plane sometime soon, so I'll actually put it in the comments below what I think about it. Or maybe I'll do a separate video on that. We'll see about that. But let me go turn that back off and go to Spotify. Oh yeah, and shout out to Wisconsin, by the way. It's snowing in April 14th, so that's cool. Even though it was like 64 degrees like a couple days ago. So, you know, it's just bipolar Wisconsin, I guess. But let's play Mirror by G Herbo here. So I'll get back to y'all. I'll just go and listen to this. Okay, so I got my analysis. I really wish they were better. For $70, I'm trying to decide if it's worth it because they're not the worst I ever had, but they're not the best I ever had. So yeah, this is hard. My problem with it is not the bass or anything like that. The bass sound good, but the actual sound quality. It's kind of hard to explain, but it sounds like the sound is going like through the actual ear cup, like the space of the ear cups to my ears rather than directly to my ears. So I mean, that's the best I can explain it, I guess. But the sound quality really isn't up there, not even with these cheaper headphones that I heard. So I don't really know if I could recommend these. Like I said, it's not bad. Like, it's not bad at all. But like at the same time, I know there's better headphones out there. And one problem that I found out from these headphones is if you don't have the ANC on, it's gonna sound muffled. With the ANC on, it's not really a problem, but with the ANC off, it's gonna sound muffled. And I know there's people out there that don't want the ANC on all the time, and it's gonna drain the battery more and just a whole bunch of different factors. But just like if you want good sound quality, like the best you can get out of these, you gotta have this on. I had really high hopes for these things, and I'm just kind of disappointed. I ain't gonna lie to you that like this is what I got delivered. I really wanted to like these headphones, but it's just not giving me what I needed or wanted. It's just not there. So I'm going to be using my Latrell Pros, which I expected, especially because of the higher price point, which means they're probably going to sound better, which they do. So I'm going to have to use those things. So it's the headphones I want to be great, but just don't deliver. So right now I can't decide if I can recommend these or not, but well, I mean, that's what I got for y'all. I feel like they focus too much on that ANC and not as much on the sound quality, which obviously is a big deal with headphones. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I'll still be doing the airplane test, but that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
This is a Chucky Beat production.